Hi, I'm Hilbert Stoke Jr., Executive Chef, University of Iowa Hospitals and Clinics Food and Nutrition Services. The recipe we're going to do today is a Mediterranean white bean salad. Nice and simple, clean flavors, and very tasty. So we start off with some white beans. You can cook the white beans yourself, or you can use the canned white beans. You rinse them and drain them. Next component of this is extra virgin olive oil, fresh squeezed lemon juice, and this is making a little vinaigrette or dressing for it. Minced red onions, chopped Italian parsley. It takes quite a bit. Italian parsley is a flat leaf parsley, and it's more of a pungent flavor than a regular curly parsley. And then we season it with a little bit of salt and pepper to your taste. Mix that up. For this salad, you could also add diced red pepper, diced tomato, diced cucumber to add flavor variations. To plate it, we'll take some fresh arugula. This is a light, refreshing, and healthy salad for any occasion, and it's very flavorful.
Getting enough fiber in your diet is easier than you think. One serving of this easy recipe provides 64% of your daily needs. The American Heart Association recommends 25 grams of fiber a day. To decrease sodium in this dish, drain and rinse the beans for approximately 1 minute. Another way is to look for cans that are labeled 50% less salt.